Hello everyone! As the amount of early access content on my Patreon continues to grow, I decided to make a short video showing you what is currently available there. Let's take a look at the topics that you can already watch in early access. First, I added a level timer and showed how you can implement a similar system in your own game. Of course, cooking food without any kind of scoring would not be very interesting. So the next step was to add a level score system. That score is then used by the end level pop-up, which displays the player's result and awards stars based on their final score. After that, it was time to improve the food item restrictions. Previously, almost any food item could be placed on any type of kitchenware. With the new restriction system, you can control exactly which items are allowed. For example, the player can no longer put a tomato in a frying pan unless you specifically allow it in your game. We also introduced a new type of complex food item – soups. This was a major update to the cooking system, completing the main part of the cooking mechanics planned for the current season. As you can see, the project now also supports multiple characters. I added character switching, updated the character class and connected action-specific assets. There is also a new pause menu system, which gives the player access to the usual pause menu functionality during the gameplay. All those tutorials are already available on my Patreon before their public release on YouTube. You can find the Patreon link in the description. Thank you for watching and see you soon!